In this tutorial, we will show you how to turn scanned PDF into searchable PDF using PDF.co and Integromat. We will use this scanned PDF file as our sample source. First, click on the Create a Scenario button at the top right corner of your dashboard. Under the New Scenario, choose Google Drive app. Now, choose a Download a File module so we can get the file from Google Drive and uses it in PDF.co. In the Enter a File ID field, choose Select from the list. In the Choose a Drive field, select the My Drive. In the File ID field, fill it out with a specific folder where the file resides. Next, let's add another module and select PDF.co. Under PDF.co, select Make an API Call module. In the API Endpoint Path field, enter the API endpoint to call the Make Searchable function. In the Input Type field, select the Upload Files. Under Input Files, click on the Add a File button. In the Source File field, choose the Google Drive, download the file. Now, you can test the configuration and see the result of the scenario. Great! You have successfully run the scenario. Here's what the searchable PDF output looks like. The text in the PDF can now be searched and highlighted. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel or on our website. Thank you for watching.